Hi guys! So today I am here to give you a few tips and tricks ഇത്തവണത്തെ CA Foundation exam set ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി. Hello future chartered accountants and welcome back to our tips and tricks series. എന്തായി നിങ്ങളുടെ CA Foundation preparations? ഇത്തവണത്തെ exam confident ആയിട്ട് face ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി here are a few simple tips. Tip number 1. ഒരു simple ആയ study plan set ചെയ്യാം. അതായത് a study plan that you can stick to and that you can follow every day. The CA Foundation syllabus is very large, so make sure you cover the concepts each and every day. Use a diary or a mobile application to maintain your schedule and make sure to cover at least 4 to 5 concepts per day. Tip number 2. Basic concepts first. Basic concepts first cover ചെയ്താൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് exam face ചെയ്യാനുള്ള കോൺഫിഡൻസ് കൂടും. കാരണം all CA exams are based on concept clarity. Tip number 3. Time management. Time management is extremely crucial ഒരു CA exam attend ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ. So നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ time management പഠിക്കും? You can solve previous exam questions, you can solve mock exam papers, and then you can assess how much time you take per question paper and how many minutes you take per question. Practice കുറഞ്ഞാൽ stress and pressure കൂടാനുള്ള chance കൂടുതലാണ്. And finally, tip number 4. The most important tip. Recap is key. Revision ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ you can cover all the concepts that you've already studied. Revision ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ you can increase your memory power and your retaining power as well. So always remember to revise your portions daily, weekly and on a monthly basis. CA Foundation exams are generally considered as a challenge. But negative thoughts ഒക്കെ ഒഴിവാക്കി, if you put in consistent efforts and hard work, January 2025 attempt will be yours. So all the best for your exams.